Hey guys, I wanted to show you some things that I've enjoyed for the year that's my favorites. First of all, this is the Atkins Indulge Peanut Butter Cups. If I really need something sweet or I feel like I need something sweet, I have one of those. And another one is the Milk Chocolate Caramel Squares. They are also delicious. Now remind you, I've been on a program or a diet or cutting back to lose some weight. And these have helped me a whole lot when other people are having desserts. The next one are the peppermint patties. These are pretty new to the Atkins Indulge. They really do taste like the peppermint patties. The next thing that I have, this sauce, just sauce, is the turkey bolognese, and I do it on top of the palmini, and I've showed you these before. These are linguine, hearts of palm noodles that really just, it's gluten-free and helps me a whole lot to feel like I'm having pasta when other people are having pasta. This is just cheese. I ordered these online. They're low carb. I'm trying to do more low carb than anything on my program, and they have really helped. They're a little salty though, so there's 2 of these in here. So just do one if you need a little bit of, feel like you need something salty. These are the Maroon Calendar's chicken pot pie. My husband loves these. These are really, really good. They taste homemade, and he really likes them. I do not eat these because it's not the low carb, and I'm trying to do more gluten-free too. This is the Lily, blend, and it's really good. Coffee beans we use in our Giro coffee maker. Next, this is the 409. This is cleaning supplies that we like. I can't talk this morning. This is the 409 Stone and Steel. If you have granite, or if you have marble, or if you have anything that's your stainless steel, this really works. I love it, and I love to use it. Also, the dish soap, we're doing the Method. I've started using more of the Method because I just feel like I'm trying to do it where it's more natural, cleaners with no chemicals. And also the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning. I love this. This is the honeysuckle. It's my favorite of all of the Mrs. Meyer's. Next, if you've not tried these Tide 4-in-1 Ultra Oxy Pods by Tide, you will love these. I have a front loader, but you can still do it. Just throw it in. Small load 1, medium load 2, and 3. If you got a heavy load, do 3 in there. But I really like them. This gives you a little bit of what I like this year, 2019, that I've really enjoyed. And you can see my little plant there behind us. It's a basil plant. It overflowed this morning, so that's why the dirt's right there. So anyway, I hope you guys love this little showing you things that I'm liking, that I'm loving, that I'm enjoying, and I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Until tomorrow.